everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 682 of trying a new makeup product every day. Oh my gosh, look at this product. It is seriously so cute. When I look at it, it makes me happy. See that? And it's all glitter. This is seriously going to become part of my holiday decor. After I use up this product, I'm going to use this as like a little, I don't know, candy dish or something. But so what this is the Too Faced Gingerbread Sugar Kissable Body Shimmer. And this was part of my December 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate Box. And this is the product that I chose. And it is so much bigger in person than I thought it would be. This has a retail value of $32. So I feel like I got a really great deal getting this as part of my Glam Bag Ultimate box because I got so many high-end products and expensive products in that box. It's a little bit tough to open. Maybe the more times I open it, it'll get easier. But so, oh my gosh, this is just so fun. It's this adorable pink puff, which is getting fuzzies everywhere. And it says, if you can't achieve a bronzy glow for real, because honestly, who has time for that? This shimmery golden body powder will get you there in seconds. Oh, and did we mention it tastes just like freshly baked gingerbread cookies? Tastes? Am I gonna have to do a taste test? Because I don't mind that. But also the fact that this adds a shimmery bronzy glow sounds perfect because I have no bronzy glow and I would love to have some. But so you open the product and it says, fun to put on, even more fun to kiss off. So I'm going to very carefully remove this. Oh my gosh, it's got a little gingerbread man shape behind here. I just love all the little details. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I just put onto the back of my hand right from the stickiness. And this does have some bronze color. I'm just gonna rub it together. I was thinking that maybe I could use this on my eyes, but I wouldn't want to risk putting shimmer that's not eye safe around my eyes because this could be bad if you get it in your eyes if it's not supposed to, especially if it's supposed to be edible. I don't think I'm actually going to put it by my eyes, but oh my gosh. So I just blended it all in and it does have like a bronzy shimmer reflection, but it's not too bronze for my super fair skin. I wasn't sure if it would be able to work on my skin tone, but I think it does. It adds like gold reflection as well. So this will actually probably look good on every skin tone. Here you can kind of see that reflection. And it's a very finely milled shimmer. So I have it on both of my hands now. And a little bit goes a long way. And it does have a really nice sweet scent, but it's not super strong and overpowering. So that's good. It's almost like you wouldn't even notice the scent unless you had your nose right to it and were looking for it. But while I have my nose right to it, I just did a little lick. And I seriously just tasted this. And it doesn't really taste like much. It tastes a little bit sweet, but it's nothing like super crazy edible that I just want to eat it all right out of the thing here. It doesn't taste bad, but it really doesn't taste like much, in case you were wondering. Oh my gosh. But so I definitely love this for a body shimmer. Of course, it's so cold now that I probably won't even be showing any skin to even apply any shimmer to. But let's see if I were to apply some of this to like my cheekbones. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the powder and let's see how this looks on the face, because that's pretty much the only skin I'm actually showing this holiday season. And that looks beautiful. I love it on the skin. It doesn't really add much of a reflective highlight, but it does add some really pretty shimmer sparkle. Since I do have such fair skin, I want to go in with a thin layer on my face so that it doesn't look too much of like a stripe of bronze. But if I just go in with a light hand and I blend it out, it really does look like a really pretty sparkle, because it's not like big, chunky sparkle glitter pieces. It's very, very soft, fine shimmers. So it doesn't look like cheesy sparkle. It just looks like pretty, radiant shimmer. So I'm really excited that I can get use with this on my face, but it really does look so beautiful on the body. And I'm noticing that it's really long lasting too. Like, it's not coming off even though I keep rubbing at my hands. And it catches the light so beautifully. Oh, this on top of a tan would look so good. So I'm gonna use this. I mean, this is a lot of product. Like, I'm gonna use it a little bit on my face. Maybe if I have any of like my neckline showing at all, I'll add some shimmer. But really, I wanna save this for the warmer seasons when I'm actually showing my arms, my legs, and really apply this to the body and have that shimmery, sun-kissed glow. Maybe if I were to go on a vacation, this would be perfect to bring. I'm so jealous of those people that live in warm climates year-round, because then you can really get great use out of this product year-round. And I just don't have any other products like this in my, I'm not gonna brag, pretty big makeup collection at this point. And so I'm really excited to have, like, this is so like old school to me, kind of like having this big puff and this big powder. This reminds me of the products that like my mom would have growing up. I love Too Faced. I really hope that I get more Too Faced products in Ipsy. And this product, it just gets me into that holiday season feel, which Christmas is right around the corner. I have some Christmas parties this weekend, and you know what? This will actually be perfect to wear to those Christmas parties. They're all ugly sweater parties, but I'll throw on some glitter, most likely on my face, because my sweater goes up to here and all the way down to my sleeve, to my wrists. So I'm not showing any skin, but any skin that is showing, I should add some sparkle to it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.